So I have created one workflow using GCS to BigQuery through Airflow. So I am showing the diagram here. So I have global data, which 10 million rows is there, and I have sent to Google Cloud Storage, and then I have processed to Airflow, then sent to BigQuery in staging dataset I have created, and then transform dataset. And for reporting purpose, I have created reporting dataset. Then we have observed visually data observation through Lookus, and uh, we can access in different country through this Looker. So let's see how we can take a look. So first, I have created VM instance. So create instance is there in one VM is created, and that is the IP address. And so SSH Linux Debian I am using. Let's run. So I have already installed in VM Airflow. So I will not install it right now. I am showing the files. Yes, file I have created. So I have created 4 DAX file here, and this is the data of global health data. There's 10 million rows is there, and I have cloud storage. So I have created one bucket in cloud storage. Yeah, I have uploaded this CSV file, global health data. So when Airflow is installed, one UI will be generated. So S4 tag is created here. Let me show the 4 tag file where I put all coding here. So I have replaced the DAC ID I have created, which is visible in UI, and description I have given, and docs ID I have created one docs ID, bucket I have given, which I have created is a link cloud storage, and source object is CSV file name. So it's all good, and it's the first DAC file here. So one more DAC I have created. So when I have didn't place in any file, if there is no file in Google storage, so it will be failed. And there one more DAC I have created, which is sensor. So if there is that any CSV file is present there, then it will be run this job. So this one another DAC file where we have docs. First docs is there. I have imported Google object sensor classes is there. And I have imported GCS to BigQuery operator, Google operator in Airflow. So task ID I have using same, bucket and same, and those guide dispositions means it will write updated one, and it will re remove whatever is there and write new one. Then I have dependencies I have written here. Check file exist, then it's load CLV to BigQuery. So this is basically two tasks is there. First, it will check the file is exists or not. Then it will wait for 30-second interval, and next task is load the CSV data to BigQuery. Okay. Then another point. So it's another DAG file is loaded here. There is three tasks there. So it's first is this checking the existence, then this loading, and then this country wise table will be created in BigQuery. So check file exists and load CSV to BigQuery. So when we will place those DAG file in UL, it will be updated. Okay. So first I have created load GS, GCS to BigQuery. This first one I can see through the graph. It's failed because I didn't place any CSV file there. So I will try this. If we check in log, you can see there is no found any files, CSV files. Okay. So that's the first DAG. Second DAG is sensor check the load, check and load. Okay. So in graph, so first it will check the file. If it's present, then it will go to BigQuery. So let me check, figure this. It's running and it's processing 10 million rows and loading to BigQuery. So its first is done, success, and next is loading to BigQuery. Yeah, I'll get success message. This code which I have inserted in the terminal. So the code is there. So let's see next DAGs. It's load and transform. Okay. So the first it will check existence. If file is present, then it will load to BigQuery, then it will segment it in different countries. Okay, it's Germany, India, USA, Italy, Japan, Canada, France, which I have uploaded in that file. You can see in code. This country wise I have inserted, so which I have countries first that will update it in country specific levels. Yeah, simple words. Well, uh, then see another that last step. This load transfer and view is only for reporting purpose. This that if I use this previous load, it is not organized where data is present there. So if I put in lookup, we are not able to see correct data and error I will get. Okay. So let me trigger this. First it will exist, then load, then it will separate in country wise, then it will create tables for view, and the task is it will be run one by one. First way is executed, and it's running here. So here is three tasks. First it will check, then it will load CSV to BigQuery, all the same task ID, bucket name, which I have created in uh, cloud storage. Then it country wise it will sorted those leads, then it's view for the country specific data. Okay. If we don't change this name, it will be because we will get in Looker. So this disease name, incidence name, disease category. So that's three different entries here. First is will no, sorry, first check file exists, then go save it. So my graph is all is success message. So it's all done. Okay. So if we check in BigQuery, it's time to 13. If we check in BigQuery, it's all first staging data, then it's transform data and reporting. Staging data is there, 10 million rows is there, okay, details, 10 million data rows is there, and you can see checking through preview. This country your this name is available or not. And say staging data, then transform data. In transform, we shorted country wise, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, USA. So next reporting, Canada view. If you so we can check India's data. Yeah, we are getting the year wise disease name, disease category, prevalence, incidence rate. So we are getting country wise data here. Okay. So next we will look in Looker. Looker is you have to create new file, new report, and this is in chart. We will set a dimension. We will give disease category, disease name, year, and incidence. And one here I will create one drop down for filter. So if I check one to say 2001 and 2008, there is will be show 2 years data. Yeah. So that's the report.